Great food isn't just about good ingredients and knowing how to cook, it's about telling the story of the food. Hey everyone, welcome to Cara's Cucina. I'm Cara Di Falco. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really healthy snack dish that you can use to substitute chips or crackers or whatever else it is that you might be trying to give up this year. We're going to be making crunchy chechi beans instead. So I've got one 15-ounce can of chechi or garbanzo beans as they're often called, rinsed and drained. But I'm going to show you two different ways to make this. So this is the basic one. So 15-ounce can. To that we're going to add about 2 teaspoons of olive oil. And we're gonna add some salt as well. And that's just the most basic one. Now I've also got my oven preheating to about 400 degrees, so it's ready to go. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of salt here. Once you have that mixed up, we're just gonna put it on our baking sheet that we have lined with foil. Get them into an even layer, and you want to leave enough room. This sheet's pretty big, but you still want to leave enough room. You can give them a good shake about halfway through, but these go in a 400-degree oven for at least 30 minutes. For another flavor option, I'm going to show you how to make a Mediterranean spiced chickpea snack. So same thing, we have one 15-ounce can of chickpeas, and we're still going to add the 2 teaspoons of oil to that. Now for our spices, we're going to use a half teaspoon of cumin, half teaspoon of coriander, half teaspoon of smoked paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, which is such a great spice, super anti-inflammatory, excellent for you, and then just a little pinch of chili powder just to give them a little bit of heat. We'll get these all mixed up, coated in all those spices and oil. And same thing, we're gonna get these onto our foil lined tray, spread them into one even layer. And these are also gonna go in the oven at 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. I say 30 minutes, you wanna check, give them a shake at 15 minutes and then check them at 30 minutes and you'll start to be able to see, and I'll show you when they really start to become crunchy. You might have to take some of the ones off out of the edges first before the center ones really start to cook up. So it might take 30 to 45 minutes in total. So it's been about 15 minutes that our chickpeas have been in the oven. We can see our oil is boiling, chickpeas are starting to cook, they're changing color a little bit. So we just want to give them a roll. Shake them up a little bit. And they're going to go back in for another 15 minutes, but we can already start to see some of these darker brown spots. That's ultimately what we want the whole pea to look like. That's how we'll know that the whole thing is going to be nice and crunchy. After about 35 minutes, our plain chickpeas are done, and actually the best way to tell is when you shake them, they really sound like they're nice and crispy. Our Mediterranean spice ones are going to take a few more minutes, but that's it. That's how you make this super easy, healthy snack. They are absolutely delicious. You can just eat them right out of the bowl, which is normally what my family does. Put them in salads, put them on top of soups, whatever you want to do with them, but just a great way to have that really satisfying, crunchy, salty taste instead of a chip or a cracker. That's it for this week in the Cucina. Don't forget, if you're watching YouTube, hit that subscribe button. Check out caradifalco.com for this recipe and many more, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Cara Di Falco. I'll see you guys next time. Bon appetit.